Hommy Enterprise Xinhui Company Limited is an enterprise which founded in Xinhui area, Jiangmen City, Guangdong in 1999. Located in the Pearl River Delta, where the transportation is convenient, is a collection of scientific research and production of professional refrigeration products. We have been devoted ourselves to export sales since establishment, and our products spread all over Europe, America, Southeast Asia, Africa, Middle East, and many other countries. In recent years, we began to enter the domestic market. Our major products including soft ice cream machine, hard ice cream machine, blizzard machine, suck can juice machine, pizza machine, snow machine, ice lolly machine, orange juice machine, ice cream cabinet, yogurt ice cream powder from Australia. All these products are in stable quality and modern design. They not only pass through the authentication of CE, CB, ETL, NSF, and ISO 9001-2015. Also has more than 40 patents of national invention, utility model, and appearance. At present, our machine is found to enter an intelligent machine. You can help customers to follow up after service and reduce some of the problems that customers use. Over the past 3 years, we have developed vending machines and robots to work with our existing products. A better communication would enhance our understanding on what you need. Please feel free to contact us right now.